Hello everyone. Today I'm making oatmeal in my rice cooker. You can use any brand rice cooker, of course. This is mine, an Aroma Rice Cooker, but you can use a simpler cooker that just has an on-off button and your oatmeal will come out just great. The best thing is you don't have to babysit the oatmeal on the stovetop. You can set it and forget it until it's done. Mine has a delay timer mode, so I can set this and go to sleep, and the next morning I have perfectly cooked oatmeal. So for the oatmeal, first of all, I'm using rolled oats. That's sometimes called old-fashioned oatmeal. It looks like this. The flakes are flat because they've been rolled, hence the term rolled oats. Not to be confused with steel-cut oats. Those look like these. These are the whole kernels that are cut into smaller bits, so they're not flattened, and because they're thicker, they take longer to cook. The taste and texture are also different. Some people say better, but that's a matter of taste, wouldn't you say? Rolled oats are more popular, probably because they cook faster and therefore are more convenient. I'll do a separate video on making steel-cut oats in the rice cooker, so stay tuned for that. So here I have my rolled old-fashioned oats. I'm using a standard measuring cup, not the cup that came with the rice cooker, although you can, and I've measured out a half a standard cup for one serving according to the package directions. If you want 2 servings, or you like a bigger bowl of oatmeal, then measure out 1 cup instead of a half a cup. Now for the liquid. I like to use plain filtered water, and I measure out double the amount of liquid, so 1 cup of water for the half a cup of oatmeal. You can use milk instead of water, and some people like half water, half milk. You can experiment with that, of course. But I use plain filtered water, and that's how I like it. Just oatmeal and water. I drizzle on honey or maple syrup after I've cooked the oatmeal, but many people add it now, and it's your choice, of course. If you want to, you can add 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup at this point. I prefer maple syrup. You can even add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. By the way, if you add extras like fruit or nuts that may sink to the bottom, make sure to stir the mixture about halfway through the cooking process so they don't settle on the bottom of the cooker where they might burn. And then just close the lid. Press the oatmeal button or the on button if you have a simple on-off rice cooker, and the thing will do its magic. It will cook the oatmeal to perfection in about 15 minutes. If you don't think it's perfect, you might like it a little looser, then add a little more water at the beginning and it will cook a creamier oatmeal. Now for the delay timer mode that's on this rice cooker. Press the on button, then press delay timer, and use the up arrow to increase the number of hours you want this to be ready. Not when it starts cooking, but when you want it to be done. So let's say I want this in 10 hours. It's 9 at night now, and I want this ready to eat at 7 a.m. So set the delay timer for 10 hours, and then press oatmeal, and this will be ready and waiting for you at 7. If you happen to get to it at 7:15, no worries, it will switch to the keep warm mode and keep it warm for you. There are lots of variations you can do by adding more ingredients, but really it's so simple to use a rice cooker, much easier than on the stovetop. With a rice cooker, you can just set it and forget it until it's ready. On the stovetop, you have to stir and watch it, and in the microwave, well, good luck with that, not running all over the place. So go ahead and make a nice, comforting bowl of oatmeal and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.